Welcome to the world of Rustic Revival, where creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurship converge to transform discarded materials into beautiful works of art. In an era increasingly defined by consumerism, this movement signifies a refreshing return to craftsmanship that emphasizes resourcefulness and environmental consciousness. By harnessing the beauty of scrap wood and metal, artisans are not only breathing new life into forgotten materials but also redefining the landscape of small businesses. Here, we celebrate the stories behind each creation, highlighting the passion and dedication that drive these innovative entrepreneurs and their commitment to creating a more sustainable future. In this exploration of turning scrap materials into viable business opportunities, we delve into the many facets of rustic crafting. The journey begins with the collection of unique materials, often rich in history and character, which sets the foundation for one-of-a-kind products. As we navigate this creative process, we will share inspiring success stories, practical tips for aspiring artisans, and the profound impacts of mindfulness in consumer choices. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey, illuminating how rustic craftsmanship not only offers financial independence but also fosters a deeper connection between creators and their communities, promoting a thriving ecosystem of sustainable practices. Together, let's forge a path towards making beauty out of waste, one handcrafted piece at a time. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed what you saw and found inspiration in our journey of turning scrap materials into beautiful creations, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends and family who might also love this craft. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to create and share more about the art of rustic craftsmanship. Thank you for being part of our community. In today's world, where sustainability is becoming a paramount concern, the revival of rustic craftsmanship through scrap materials offers not just environmental benefits but also lucrative business opportunities. This blend of creativity and resourcefulness represents a growing movement, attracting both artisans and entrepreneurs seeking meaningful ways to contribute positively to the planet while earning a living. The charm of rustic decor lies in its ability to evoke nostalgia and warmth. Items made from reclaimed wood and metals not only possess unique aesthetics but also tell stories of their past lives. This narrative element appeals to consumers who appreciate the blend of old and new, making such products more desirable in a market increasingly leaning towards personalized and artisanal goods. As a result, businesses can capitalize on this trend by creating products that resonate emotionally with their customers. Starting a business focused on scrap materials allows creative individuals to explore their artistic skills while also addressing waste management challenges. The process often begins at local construction sites, furniture shops, or even through community donation drives, where artisans can collect unwanted materials. This not only reduces waste but also provides a reliable source of raw materials, ensuring that businesses can maintain low costs while pursuing their crafts. The diversity of products that can be crafted from scrap materials is virtually limitless. From furniture and home decor to intricate wall art and garden features, every creation tells a similar tale of transformation and creativity. Entrepreneurs can focus on specific niches, such as rustic garden furniture, which has seen a surge in popularity as more homeowners seek to enhance their outdoor spaces. This specialization allows for tailored marketing efforts and the establishment of a brand identity that resonates with target customers. Moreover, leveraging social media platforms becomes an effective way to showcase these unique creations. Visual storytelling through platforms like Instagram and Pinterest can create significant buzz around rustic crafts, driving consumers to engage with small businesses and handcrafted items. By sharing the creative process, artisans not only build a loyal following but also inspire others in the community to consider sustainable practices in their own lives. Collaborations with local artisans and community workshops can further enhance business prospects. By hosting classes or workshops on rustic crafting techniques, entrepreneurs can tap into the educational aspect of their craft, providing an additional revenue stream while promoting the value of sustainability. These community-focused initiatives encourage local engagement and foster a sense of belonging, as individuals come together to learn and create. The appeal of rustic crafting extends beyond aesthetics. It also aligns with the growing trend of mindful consumerism. As people become more conscious of their purchasing habits, they often seek products that support ethical production and environmental responsibility. By marketing handmade items that prioritize sustainable practices, businesses can attract eco-conscious consumers and distinguish themselves from mass-produced alternatives. In addition, there's a solid potential for online sales, especially on platforms dedicated to handmade goods. E-commerce provides artisans with a global reach, enabling them to sell their rustic creations to customers far beyond their local communities. Utilizing effective online marketing strategies, such as SEO and targeted advertising, can help businesses elevate their online presence and drive traffic to their stores. Lastly, the journey of transforming scrap materials into profitable ventures is also about personal fulfillment. Many artisans find joy not just in the process of creation but also in the knowledge that their work contributes to a more sustainable future. This combination of passion and purpose can lead to a highly rewarding business experience, as artisans take pride in every piece they create and sell. In conclusion, the rise of Rustic Revival as a business opportunity reflects a broader shift towards sustainability and mindful consumerism. By turning scrap materials into beautiful, meaningful products, entrepreneurs can build successful ventures that resonate with consumers and positively impact the environment. This journey toward creating a more sustainable future through craftsmanship offers not only financial rewards but also personal fulfillment, making it a truly worthwhile pursuit. As we wrap up our exploration of Rustic Revival and the fascinating world of transforming scrap materials into stunning creations, it's essential to reflect on the profound impact that sustainable practices can have on our environment. Every piece crafted from reclaimed wood and metal not only carries its own unique story but also helps reduce waste and promote a more circular economy. This shift towards mindful consumption is more than just a trend, it represents a collective movement toward preserving our planet for future generations. Moreover, the journey of turning discarded materials into cherished works of art fosters a deep sense of community and connection. As artisans share their techniques, collaborate on projects, and host workshops, they create vibrant spaces for creativity and learning. This communal aspect not only enhances individual skill sets but also builds networks of support among those passionate about sustainable crafting. Together, these artisans cultivate a culture where craftsmanship is celebrated, and the value of sustainability is shared widely. Thank you for watching our video on Rustic Revival. We hope you found inspiration in the creative ways scrap materials can be transformed into beautiful and sustainable products. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with others who might appreciate this unique approach to crafting.